Episode 6 Missionary Work in Goa. Hello everyone. In our previous episodes, we explored St Francis Xavier's arrival in Goa, India, and his initial efforts to spread Christianity. Today, we delve into a pivotal chapter of Xavier's life, his missionary work in Goa, and the profound impact he had on the local population through the establishments of schools and hospitals. Xavier's missionary work in Goa. Goa, a Portuguese colony on the western coast of India, became a significant focal point for St Francis Xavier's missionary endeavors. His activities in this region were transformative and left a lasting impact on the local population. Xavier's primary mission in Goa was to spread the Christian faith among the people. He dedicated himself to preaching the gospel and introducing the teachings and values of Christianity to the local population. Xavier interacted extensively with the local communities, understanding their customs, tradition, and belief systems. He built connections and relationships aiming to bridge the gap between the Christian message and the cultural fabric of the people in Goa. Impact on the local population. Xavier's missionary activities had a profound impact on the local population. His teaching resonated with many, leading to conversions and the establishments of Christian communities in Goa. The impact of his work extended beyond religion, influencing the social and cultural dynamics of the region. Establishment of schools. Recognizing the importance of education, Xavier played a crucial role in setting up schools in Goa. These educational institutions provided not only religious teachings but also basic education, fostering literacy and knowledge among the local population. Founding of hospitals. Xavier's compassion for the people extended to their physical well-being. He established hospitals and medical facilities to provide healthcare and aid to the sick and suffering. These initiatives aimed to address the health needs of the local population regardless of their religious affiliations. Legacy of Xavier's missionary work in Goa. The impact of Xavier's missionary work in Goa was profound and enduring. His efforts laid the groundwork for a Christian presence that continues to thrive in Goa today. The schools and hospitals he established became enduring institutions contributing to the region's education and healthcare sector. Xavier's legacy remains prevalent in shaping the cultural, educational, and healthcare landscape. The influence of his mission work continues to be felt in the values and institutions that persist in the region. St Francis Xavier's missionary work in Goa was not only instrumental in spreading Christianity but also in establishing educational and healthcare systems that have had a lasting impact on the local population. His efforts contributed significantly to the development and well-being of the people in the region. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the upcoming episodes, we will further explore Xavier's missionary endeavors in different regions and the significant contribution he made to the communities he served. Stay tuned for episode 7, where we will explore Xavier's missionary activities in southern India and the challenges and successes he encountered in that region. Thank you.